In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Remitly money transfer to Morocco. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and head to Remitly's website. From the homepage, you'll see a simple flow that walks you through a transfer. First, tell Remitly where you want to send money. In the destination field, type Morocco and select it. This sets the currency and unlocks the receiving options available in Morocco. Next, look for the calculator that shows two amounts. In the box labeled You Send, type the amount you want to transfer. As soon as you do, the box labeled They Receive will update automatically to show how much your recipient in Morocco will get in Moroccan dirhams. Take a moment here to review the exchange rate, any fees, and the estimated delivery time that usually appears with the rate. If the timeline or fee changes when you adjust the amount, that's normal. Larger amounts or different delivery methods can affect both. Now, choose how your recipient will get the money. Select the delivery method, then click. Select one to see the options. For this walkthrough, pick bank account as the delivery method, since that's a common and convenient choice in Morocco. If you see a list of partner banks or payout networks, choose the one that matches your recipient's bank, then continue. With the delivery method set to bank deposit, Remitly will ask for the recipient's bank details. Click, continue to move ahead, then enter the RIB, which in Morocco is a 24-digit bank account identifier. Type it carefully and double check for accuracy. One wrong digit can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account. When you're confident the RIB is correct, click continue. You'll then be asked for the recipient's first name and last name. Enter those exactly as they appear on the bank account to avoid mismatches. Keep it consistent with the bank's records, including any middle names if they're part of the account name. Click continue when that's done. You may see a field for the recipient's mobile number. This is optional, but adding it can help with delivery updates or pickup instructions if Remitly sends notifications. If you have it, type it in, otherwise you can leave it blank. Click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to choose how you'll pay for the transfer. Select the payment method, then click Select One to open your options. Choose to add a new card and click Continue. You'll land on a secure form where you'll enter your card details. Type your card number and the expiration date. Next, enter the security code from your card. Then type your name exactly as it appears on the card. Matching your card's printed name helps prevent declines and verification issues. Below that, enter your billing address. Make sure it matches the address your card issuer has on file. Small differences like abbreviations or apartment numbers can cause a card to be rejected. If you recently moved, use the address linked to the card's most recent statement. When your card details and billing address are complete, continue to the last step, reviewing your transfer details. This page summarizes everything you've entered: the amount you're sending, what your recipient in Morocco will receive, the exchange rate and fees, your chosen delivery method of bank account, the recipient's name and RIB, and your payment card. Take a careful look. Confirm the numbers, the spelling of names, and that the delivery method is exactly what you intended. If anything looks off, use the back or edit options on the screen to fix it now. That's it. You've set the destination to Morocco, entered the amount under You Send, checked They Receive, chosen a bank account delivery, provided the RIB and recipient name, optionally added a mobile number, selected your payment method by adding a new card, entered your card and billing details, and finished on review details. Taking a few extra seconds at each step, especially on the RIB and names, will save time later and help your transfer arrive smoothly. Thanks for watching, and follow along with these steps anytime you need to send money to Morocco with confidence.